Introducing the 12-amp 20-inch electric mower from Greenworks Tools. The powerful 12-amp motor delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass and weeds. At 56 pounds, with a durable 20-inch cutting deck, it is the ideal lawnmower for small to medium-sized yards. Thanks to its easy push start and lightweight design, eliminate all the hassles that come with a gas-equivalent mower. The 3-in-1 feature design provides multiple options for grass clippings from side discharge, mulching, and rear bagging. A 7-position height adjustment offers a range from 1.5 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all grass types. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels ensure the mower will move across any yard. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles. Check out more helpful videos at greenworkstools.com or youtube.com/greenworks.
If you're not convinced the mower under $200 that's electric is worth getting, then I don't know what will convince you. Other than the cord, which is obviously something you have to work around, it's pretty good. Look at that. It seriously cuts grass. That's really freaking tall. Jaden, stay right here, buddy. Stay here. Mommy's mowing. No gas, no fumes.